everyone, hi, my name is Soumya Pradeep and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you all about how to make Sabudana Kichadi. So it's a very simple recipe and let's get started. I had taken about 2 cups of overnight soaked Sabudana. In a hot pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add cumin seeds. Saute it. Now add green chili paste. Here I have taken 3 chilies. Mix it. And in the meantime, add 1 boiled potato. I have cut them into pieces. Leave it for 1 minute. Now add salt. Mix it properly. Don't leave it for too much. Now add 2 cups of Sabudana. You can see it's not really sticky, so make sure it's not very sticky. Add peanut powder. Mix it. Now leave about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid, saute it for 1 minute and off the gas. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Now Sabudana is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video. For more, visit my channel.